Hi, my name's Victoria. I'm in my 4th year. I'm from near Liverpool and I'm studying law with Italian. I unfortunately did not get the results I was expecting on the day, but everything worked out fine. I knew I definitely wanted to study law with Italian, so the first thing I did was look at other universities who allowed law with Italian, and Bangor was one of these places. Going through clearing at Bangor was such a relieving experience. All the anxiety I had was taken away through clearing with Bangor. I did speak to someone on the phone on the helpline. I phoned up the number on the website and it was very quick to get through to them and they were very helpful. I did not feel apprehensive coming to Bangor being a clearing student. I felt completely welcomed. I felt like I deserved to be there. Everyone was so lovely and fitting in was not a problem. It's so nice to be in nature as opposed to in a big city, which can be very intimidating for your first time away from home. You have a very supportive community around you. The teachers are super supportive. You make amazing friends through the societies. There's so many societies to join, so you always can make friends so easily and you always have a great time. I have joined quite a few societies in my time at Bangor, including dance, athletics, trampolining, just a few to choose from, but there's so many more and they're all amazing. Bangor was definitely the right choice for me. Everything happens for a reason, and obviously I didn't get into my first choice of university, but I don't regret my choice at all. I feel so happy here and I've had the best time. Anyone awaiting their results and worried about going through clearing should not worry at all. It's something completely out of your hands. You don't know what's going to happen on the day, but I can assure you that should you go through clearing and you call up Bangor, you'll feel so much at ease and so happy.